At a facility on the southwest side may have some ramifications, including hundreds of workers being fired. WGN's Jenna Barnes is joining us live from Little Village with more tonight. Jenna.
Yeah, Lourdes, it's estimated that hundreds of workers at this Target distribution facility here behind us have been fired, accused of stealing altogether $1 million from the company in a fraud scheme involving healthcare loans.
Everyone was talking about it.
Employees at this giant Target Flow Center at Pulaski and 35th Place on the southwest side say word is spreading inside about a fraud scheme carried out by their coworkers. Block Club Chicago reports those workers took advantage of a glitch in an employee benefit, Target's medical loan program. The error allowed employees to take out loans for $3,000 and pay back just $50 to have the balance erased.
It was wild to compile.
Block Club's Charles Thrush has spent the past week talking with employees who told him about a ringleader who discovered the glitch and then helped coworkers carry out the fraud. That person would charge a $200 to $300 fee for each person involved, and there were hundreds.
You're seeing anywhere from 400 to 700 firings from Target.
The company isn't confirming just how many people were involved, but tells us in a statement, following an internal investigation, we have terminated team members found to be in violation of our company's code of ethics.
This is a really good paying job for a lot of people. And then just to lose it for that, was it worth it?
Now, it's not clear whether those involved could also face criminal charges. Target says it's put measures into place to make sure this doesn't happen again, and they say these firings will not impact business operations.
All of that for $3,000. People right now are struggling trying to get a job, and you have these dumbass people thinking that $3,000 is going to change their life. When you have a steady check coming in, you're going to work, you're doing your thing, you have a job, and you're willing to risk it all for $3,000. That is just, man, I'm telling you, people got shit ass backwards, man. You have a job, man. You're getting paid. Everything is going so well, and you want to risk it all for $3,000. You see, that's a lot of people that have the problem where they like to have short-term thinking, right? They're just thinking about the now. They're not thinking about the consequences in the future, which is losing their job. They're thinking about the now and running some type of a scheme for $3,000 checks. And for someone to know there's a glitch in the system and to be dumb enough to think that, yo, you know what I'm saying, this is going to go on for such a long ass time, or if I get caught, nothing's going to happen, you're sadly mistaken. There's most likely going to be jail time for that. They're going to press charges on all those idiots that went out there and took that money. Man, people just need to just really wake up and understand like scheming is not a way to live life. You are going to get caught eventually, right? Like, for example, yeah, there was a glitch in the system, right? Because if I worked there and someone told me there's a glitch in the system, I'm like, all right, obviously they're going to fix that glitch. There's people who get paid thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to fix little glitches like that. And if you think $1 million would just disappear and someone won't do research, come on, man. It's like the whole saying where I hear people say about cops, right? They say, you know, if you're doing something illegal, you got to get lucky every single day. Every single day, you got to get lucky. But now, a cop has to get lucky once. One day, pull your ass over, doing some shit you shouldn't be doing, you're screwed. It's the same way with the target. Yeah, you're getting away with it, right? You're getting away with trying to manipulate the system or whatever. But then, that one day, someone detects, something's going on here, something doesn't seem right, and they catch you. And it's not only like 10 people. We're talking about 700 people. All right? We're talking about 700 people part of this scheme. All because they want to get a quick $3,000 and that's it. So every single day you have to go to work knowing today might be my last day because I decided to take this $3,000 from Target. Which is, from what you heard the guy say, it's a really good job. Right? How many of you guys out there are willing to risk your job for $3,000? It's not a lot of you guys out there. I would hope there's not a lot of people out there who's willing to do that, because I know times are hard right now and people are falling behind on bills and, Groceries are so expensive and everything is super expensive right now. I get that. You know what I'm saying? That's under my eye. Damn, my bad. I get that. But yo, you gotta just grind it out, man. You don't want to do anything illegal to put yourself in a position where you can lose your job and get charges pressed against you. Like, right, you're gonna lose your health benefits, you're gonna lose all of that. No one most likely will be hiring you. Like, it gets to be hard to get a job, and this is what you're gonna do. And I worked at Target before growing up. Target is a great company. Target is a great company. We're not talking about Walmart here. No. Target is a very good company. If you work there, you're loyal, you do your thing, they reward you and they pay you fair. They pay you extremely fair. So to have a job like that in that facility, they're probably getting paid pretty well, right? They're probably getting paid pretty well. And you're gonna risk all of that for a $3,000 check. Well, guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this situation, because it doesn't seem like there's a lot of smart ass people who work there. But hey, you know what? Target's probably like, good. We got rid of 700, non-loyal thieves in our company, and now we can have the hard-working people. They should get a raise. Everyone there that didn't take it should get a bonus and should get a raise for showing company loyalty. That's just my opinion. Catch you guys in my next video. Peace.